The inspiration for Slimetime came from a real slug that happened to get into my art room. At first, I didn't know what was making the problems on my word wall. I even thought maybe it was water dripping on it, but then I saw there was some slime and definitely looked like something was crawling around and eating the paper on the words. In fact, you could even see some slime trails on the speaker box.
I'm here really early in the morning and look what I found. First time I ever caught one. Trying to make a U-turn very, very slowly. This is what it did over spring break. But I finally found out where he lives. Dun dun dun. There he is. I think there's a hole in there. A little behind the scenes of the slug coming in the art room. Wait. Alright, so Clay Club. So what are you working on, Layla?
I'm making a bed for the boy slug.
A bed for the boy slug, okay. What are you working on, Bella?
The TV for the slugs.
Oh, that's cute. Alright, what are you working on, Amela?
I'm working on the bed for the girl slug.
Let's see what you... Ooh. Move them a little closer. Move the dad.
Okay. This is what you did. Just go like that. Just like you know. I don't want to
Okay. Do me a favor. You know, totally stuck. Yeah.
Go.
All right, and Mike, make sure you also get just kind of a view of the whole crew working.
Oh, their hands are dirty. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Back away. Back some more. Some more. Okay, move it up some more.
Slime. Okay. Picture. The head's gone.
Again?
He's moving up.
Back up. There we go.
Oh, pretty pie. It's a pie. It should be like up more. That was slime.
I agree with Bella.
So we should start going like this? No, like.
Show them what you mean, Bella.
We
Just
should, like,
move this, move them.
Like up there. Yeah. You like.
All right, Houston, we have a problem. Our slug is sticking to the slime. Problems with rubber cement.
I don't know what to do. You should do it.
Pretending like he ate a little bit, like it's already eaten, like he ate it the first time, and now he's probably like eating it again.
That's what.
The rest of the kids are working on glazing their pottery.
Wait, where's
Sienna is finished.
No, not yet.
Okay, almost finished. And then she's gonna help Skylar.
I'm not. Because this thing,
She moves the slime.
Yeah,
running.
the slug.
Colin makes the slime trail.
And
then she just directs me.
Okay. And that's the director. All right. Well, let's see you do it.
Take the picture. Okay, a little bit more like an obtuse angle and slime.
She should ask him.
She said she's kind of camera shy.
Yes, very camera shy. Aren't you?
So here are the real artists behind the slime masterpiece.
You're funny, Miss
And Sienna?
I'm working on the slug when he's gonna come over here and paint the sky all red.
Awesome. How about you, Layla?
I'm painting the sky too, but it's gonna be orange.
Action.
Well, of course
That's okay. Stop and action.
you aren't learning that way. You have to try out the ideas that you learn about.
But the humans all these tools to make their art. I'm a slug. I can't pick up a pencil or a paintbrush.
Well, I think if you get a little creative, you can use what only a slug has. I would bet the humans would be impressed.
So that is what I did. I watched the lessons. Then I tried them out each afternoon. And Mom was right. The humans did notice.
Action.
Mom, Dad, I have an important announcement.
Did you say announcement?
I think I did. I don't really know.
Slime!